Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Teespring as a beginner. And we are actually going to use not one, but two free softwares. And I'm going to show you not one, but two free traffic sources that you can use to promote your Teespring designs. Also, if you wish to see my proof of earnings, in the description I will leave you a link to my playlist where I show you more Teespring tactics and also where I show you proof of my Teespring earnings. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And second thing you need to do, you need to find trending topics in that niche, especially if you are a beginner, because it is much easier to promote designs in trending niche and it is higher probability that you will actually start making sales. That is why it is really important if you're a beginner to follow trends. But how do you actually find trends in your niche? So what you can do is, you can come here on Redbubble and then you can click here in search bar. And here you can see these arrows here. Those are trending searches. As you can see, educational, Olivia Newton-John, a league of their own. Those are trending topics on Redbubble. So what you can do is you can also type your main keyword. Let's say I'm in dog niche. So here I can type dog. And again, here you can see these arrows. Those are trending topics. Dog Day, Dog and American, Dog Mom Halloween. Now, Halloween is in about 2 months from now. So, for example, I just say Dog Mom Halloween. And here you can see some related designs. Okay? So what you can do, so now you actually need to find an inspiration for your own design. So what you can do is you can simply copy this, Ctrl C, and then you can go on Pinterest. And here in search bar, I will type Dog Mom Halloween, and look at this, Dog Mom Halloween costume, Dog Mom Halloween shirt, Dog Mom Halloween, and so on, which means people are actually searching that on Pinterest, which means this really is trending, and people are actually buying products. As you can see, costumes, shirts, Halloween costume, and so on. People are actually buying this. So this is a good sub-niche. So like I said, I can click here, Dog Mom Halloween, to find the ideas for myself. Here you can see this is a sweatshirt, okay? And you can use this as an inspiration for your own design. And when I go back here, I can find even more inspirations. Okay, this is really cute. If you have this Deshwandan, you can actually use this. You can use this as an inspiration for your own design. And I'm sure that dog moms will actually buy a t-shirt with something similar to this. And they will wear that on Halloween. So this is a good design, this is a cute design that moms who have dogs, they will actually wear this. So this, you need to make something, you need to design something similar to this. Okay, so now you need to make your design. Now I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for Photoshop. So what you can do is you can actually go on Gimp. And Gimp is basically a free version of Photoshop. And you can click here on download and you can download this software totally free. Install it on your computer and then launch it. And this is how it looks. As you can see, it is similar to Photoshop. So what you need to do, you need to click here on File and then click here on New. And let's just say 4000 by 4000 pixels. That will be the dimensions of my design. Okay? Click here on OK. And this is my design. And now I need to add some graphics. Now you can find free graphics on Pixabay, okay? And those are royalty-free graphics that you can use in your design. So I already did that and click here on Open as a layer. So click here on Desktop. Let me just see, is this the image? Okay, this is the image. Click here on Open. Give it a second. Click here to make this larger like this. As you can see, this is a photo image of a cute dog. Okay, click here on Scale. And now I need to add some text. So click here on this A. And I will just make it like this. And choose, let's just say, for example, blue. And here I can say something like this. Okay, I will make this blue again. Okay. And I will make this larger. Let's say, for example, 300, okay? And here you can see how it looks. I can even make this 400 to be a larger, okay? And I chosen this font style, but you can choose any font style you want. I can move this like this, okay? And To remove background, what I need to do, I need to click here on this tool that says select by color. Click here, click on the background, so I need to click here on background and then click here on the background, click here on layer, transparency, add alpha channel, and then simply click delete on your keyboard and that's it. I removed background on my image. Click here, select, none, and that's it. And all I have to do now is just click here on file and then click here export as and export this on my desktop. And that's it. I made my design in just 5 minutes, totally free, really easy. Okay, and this is my design. This is how it looks. Of course, you will make a better design. I just made this for the purpose of this video. And all you have to do now is just go on Teespring and upload your design. Now, I will not show you how to do that because it is really simple process. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to make a short video ad. Now to do that, you need to go on Canva and you need to register for a free account and choose video format. And you need to actually upload here on Canva 1 to 5 images of your t-shirts. Now I already did that and these are my t-shirts. And actually, as you can see now, I will not show you my designs because I don't want you to steal my designs. That actually happens. So like I said, I actually smudged this so you cannot see my design. So I will move this here and I will actually make this tilt, okay? And I will add this one as well and make it tilt like this, okay? And this one as well. And I will make this one tilt as well, okay? Just like this. And here I will add a text, I will add a call to action, something like this. So I will delete this. And I will actually say something like this, and I will change this to be, let's just say, for example, black, and make this wider like this, okay? And I will move it here. As you can see, grab these t-shirts. And here you can add also link in description. So I will say link in description. Okay, link in description. And I will make this in middle, okay? So what I need to do next, I actually need to click here and then I need to click here to animate this, okay? So let's just say something like this. Okay, that is too fast. Let's just say party. It is too fast. I will actually make this to be 5 seconds long. 5 seconds. And let's just say now. Okay, this looks interesting. Let's just see party. Okay, this is much better. So this is my short video ad. So I will just change the name. Let's just say t-shirt. Okay, press enter. And all I have to do now, click here on share and then click here on download. Choose MP4 video, click here on download and download this short video on your desktop. And we are actually going to need this in a minute and you will see why. Okay, so next thing you need to do, you need to go on TikTok and you need to find big pages in your niche, in this case in dog niche. Here you can see this page has 1.6 million followers. And what you need to do, you need to go through these videos and you need to find videos that are going viral and you need to download those videos. Or you can go on Instagram and find big pages in your niche and then click here on Reels and again find videos that are going viral. And what you need to do next, you need to click on that video and here you can see person who actually created that video. You need to contact that person and ask it for permission to re-upload their videos. About 95% of people will say yes. And what you need to do, you actually need to download 10, 15, 20, 30 of these videos and then you need to actually make a compilation. So to make a compilation, you can use DaVinci Resolve 18. This is a free video editing software. I personally use this one, but if you want, you can use some other video editing software. It doesn't really matter. Here you can see the free download now. And after you download it and install it on your computer, you need to launch DaVinci. And this is how it looks. And now you need to make a compilation. To do that, it is really simple. And all you have to do is just drag this video here, okay? Just drag it here. Okay, and this is the video. And then just move this slider like this. And let's just say I will move this video here, okay? And I already have 2 videos. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to add my short video ad. so I will just move it here, okay? This is my short video ad. You can add some music, royalty-free music if you want. Now, you made this video, I made this short video ad in Canva, but if you know how to use DaVinci, then it is better to actually make this in DaVinci. You have much more options. You can make this look like a YouTube ad with the countdown and everything, so it looks natural, so people can think this is a YouTube ad and not the ad that you made. But like I said, DaVinci is a bit complicated. You can do that when you learn how to use it, when you get more experience. Now, after you add your short video ad, then just add these other videos here, okay? And I will just move this here, and I will add this last video, okay? So I have my compilation from four videos in this case, and my video ad, short video ad. After you add 10, 15, 20, 30 videos, all you have to do is just click here on File, and then click here, Quick Export, choose YouTube, click here Export, and export this compilation on your desktop. And as you can see, we made this video for YouTube, and here you can see dimensions of that video. 1920 with 1080. Now, if you are making this compilation for TikTok, for example, then dimensions would be 1080 with 1920. That is really important. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to upload this video that you created, this compilation, on your YouTube channel. And you need to add a link to your Teespring store in the description of that video. So when we come here on YouTube, and for example, when we type here dog compilation, here you can see dog compilation, funny videos, compilations, fails, cute, funny, TikTok, that is a huge niche. And when I click here to enter, here you will see that these videos are getting lots and lots of views. Look at this, 10 million views, 24 million views, and so on and so on, 3.6 million views. And even when I click here on filters and click this week, you will see that these kind of videos are still getting thousands and thousands of views. 442,000 views. Here you will see 151,000 views. Like I said, this is a huge niche, and you can still get views. Doesn't matter, it is a huge niche. All you have to do is just upload videos every day. And also, this is a free traffic source number 1. Free traffic source number 2 is actually TikTok. So when you click here on search, in search bar, and when you type dog compilation, you will see dog compilation videos, songs, compilation, funny pictures, and so on and so on. And again, press enter, and here you will see these videos are getting millions of views. 24 millions, 1.6 million, 9 million, and so on and so on. And when you click here on upload, you will see that you can actually now upload videos on TikTok that are up to 10 minutes long. As you can see, up to 10 minutes long or less than 2 gigabytes videos. And you saw that there is a huge demand. People like to watch these kind of videos on TikTok and YouTube, and all you have to do is just upload videos, these compilations every day of dogs, cats, workout, doesn't really matter. Just upload these compilations every day, and you will start getting traffic, probably not in next week or two, but in next 2-3 months, you will start getting clicks on your links, and you will start making sales. So this is how to make money with Teespring in 2022 as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.